show you how to make this California blossom. You'll need 4 blue bands, 4 yellow bands, 3 white bands, 2 purple bands, 2 green bands, and 2 orange bands. A hook and a loom. You'll only need a loom to store the petals on. And you'll need to make 5 petals. Then after I make 1 petal, I'll show you how to make the rest. So first, here are some other examples.
Oh crap, my finger's in the way.
I'll be showing you how to make this one, except all the pink is going to be white. So first take your single white band and wrap it around 2 times. So it should look like this. Let me separate this. Okay. So it should have 3 loops on it. Now you're going to take both of your orange bands, and then you're going to put them on the hook part of your hook, then pull the white bands up onto it. Then you push it down and then pull it back up. Again, like that. Now you're going to take 1 set of your yellow bands and pull the first set of orange bands onto it. Then put it back like that. Okay. Now you're going to pinch your bands together and then take them off. Go through the yellow bands and then make sure you get all of them. After you go through all the yellow bands, get the orange bands. Like that. Now you're going to grab your last set of yellow bands, and you're going to put them on the hook you have your hook, and then just pull the orange bands onto them. Only the orange bands. So now it should look like this. Now, this is a hard part. You're going to pull the first set, like the first loop off like that, then grab both of your bands, and then you're going to pull this one on and this one on. Not the last one though. Then you can put the green back on and the yellow. Now, I'm going to take 1 set of your blues, and you're going to pull the first yellow band and the first green bands. Then put it back. Now you're going to turn the whole thing around again. So pinch them together. Then go through the blue bands first. Make sure you get all of them. It's kind of hard. Make sure they don't disappear. Then last, you're gonna get the yellow bands. If you don't get all of them, that's fine. Just make sure. Okay. Now you're gonna take your second set of blue bands, and then only pull the yellow and the green bands onto the blue bands. Like that. Now, we're gonna pull the first set of bands off like that. Then grab your purple bands. Then pull this set onto them. And then the second set. Then just put all the bands back on. Make sure you get all of them on. Okay, now I'm going to take your last 2 white bands you're going to put them on the hook part of your hook. Then you're going to put all these rubber bands onto those. Then you pull back. Okay, now you have one petal complete. Now you're going to string them on your loop. So you're going to take the first bands off, and then just put them on the loom, and do the same thing with the second bands. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to put them all together. Okay, so the white is your middle, or you can use whatever middle color you want. Okay, so you're going to grab these, pull them, put them on your hook, like that, then just pull them off. Then do the same. And it may just try to fit as many as you can. Fit all of them on there. Just push them to the end of your hook. Also, this works with the crochet hook. Okay. Now, I forgot. You need 2 more white bands. Okay. So, put them on the hook part of your hook. Then, after you do that, pull all of these bands on to the white bands. Make sure you get all of them on there. This may take me a while. Got those on. After you're all done with that, just pull the bands back on. Now you're going to grab these bands, then just pull them right over the band that are of you. Then just make it tight, and then there you go. There is your flower. I think I messed up a little bit. Just gotta pull them into construction. Okay, we put like that. Okay. Yeah. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.